All right, what's good, Ghost Gang? God bless y'all. Love y'all. Hope everybody's doing well out there. And I just wanted to explain to you, if you have the newest update, which was released today on the 30th, don't panic. I know there isn't any videos out there to show you guys kind of what you should do, but there is an error code that you get. And if you get that error code and it doesn't let you start up your game, simply come down to delete and delete your game, and then once you delete it, you go over the games, you go over here to what do you go to? Explore. No, you go to hold on, I'm gonna tell you all right. Collection. Let's see. Browse and find it and re-download it. Okay. You can either do this version or the Lightfall version, but you need to make sure you basically re-download the game. Okay. If it gives you an error code, that's what you need to do. You need to download the Lightfall which the Lightfall is the newest updated one. So if you download that one, the version, the PS5 version, it should work for you. So I had did that, and now I'm able to go into the game. I have really fast internet, Fios high speed, so my internet's super fast. I got 1,000 up, 1,000 down. So it took I'm gonna say about 15 to 20 minutes. It took to download it again. So I have the Lightfall Destiny 2 version, and it let me load up and go into picking my characters and starting the game. So do this now. Don't panic. It's some kind of error code that's coming up. Once you check for all your updates, you can just log in, and it should let you go straight to in your orbit. I hope this video is very informational and help you guys. I'm tired of making these long videos that don't need to be done. YouTube changed up their rules of engagement with how to when you make your videos. So I just wanted to make this quick video for this date and time for today. Do this if you're having trouble trying to log into Destiny and get started, because there's an error code that comes up. All right, love you guys. God bless y'all. Hope this helped you guys. Peace.